Hey, you're not going to believe this. It's a 7-inch tabletop dry cut tile saw, which means it uses no water and it creates no dust, which means you can bring it right in the job site and start cutting. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So right out of the box, it comes with a blade, your instructions, your glide, your on-off switch, comes with a rolling table, locks in place, your removable dust tray, your spin-on filter, and your 4-cyclone vacuum. Plus, it has a ton of additional features and accessories. So if you're looking for a tile saw, this is the one for you. So go to our link in the bio for complete information on this amazing product.